Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How to write an essay. The very first things you should do is to understanding what an essay is. Essay is an organized collection of your ideas about literary text, nicely written and professionally presented. What do we mean by saying nicely written? Essay must be well organized and presented in a way that the reader finds easy to follow. First, confused, unsure, unclear, perplexed. What is the purpose of an essay? Distorted, bewildered. You show your ability to talk, to think, and to write. This is where you learn to write professionally. To do it. Write only on ideas per page. Ultimate library will subscribed. File and rewrite to the notes so you can find them again. Every single book and article you read should be in this list. In a year or two, you will say things to this book list. Now you have do in all the preparations.